everyone, welcome back to another unboxing with Danny and Jazz.
Hi!
And today we're going to be unboxing a new box on our channel, and it is the WIZBOX. So the WIZBOX is basically Harry Potter, Fantastic Beasts, that type of themed box. It is new, brand new. I think this is the second month that they've been doing it. I think they started in February. Because we waited until we seen reviews from the first one before we bought the second one, if you know what I mean. This box is, like I say, it's a WIZBOX. It's the same company that does WizCon. Not sure if anyone's ever heard of WizCon, but it's basically a Comic-Con for like wizards and people that like that type of stuff, and they have like stars from, I don't know, Harry Potter, Fantastic Beasts, and behind the scenes and other type of things as well come and do autographs and stuff like that. But yeah, it's like it's a WizCon basically, WizardCon. Yeah, I think they've got one on the 24th of March. A WizCon. Like I say, I'll link it all in the description below. I'll link WizCon, and I'll also link WIZBOX.
Yes.
That was hard. So yeah, this box is normally £30 a month. We got a £5 off code, which made it £25 delivered. As you can see, it's quite a decent sized box as well. The first box that we did see looked decent. I did put it on our Facebook page, and I put some reviews underneath that people had been putting, seeing a few pictures. We liked it, didn't we?
Yes.
And so we thought we'll give it a try. So yeah, like I said, they're on their Facebook page and their web page, Instagram and stuff like that, they're always putting like deals, £5 off here or 10% or something like that. But like I said, I'll link it all in the description below. But yeah, I'm quite excited to see, because there's not that many Harry Potter boxes out there.
And it's massive.
It is massive, like, as you can see. It is huge. And it came not battered or anything, so yep. And one thing left to do, and that is
Open the box, 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 open the box.
There you go.
Box
is now open. Right, put it over there so we can see your face, Jazz. But make sure it doesn't fall off the table.
Wouldn't want that, have it.
No, we didn't. We don't. I mean, I can't talk today, mate. I might just give up and let you do it.
Oh.
So yeah. Oh, what's that?
What?
Do you know what? I expected a smaller box inside that box. But it's not. Do you want me to cut it?
No, just get.
You sure? But that doesn't have that. What is that?
It's here.
Oh.
Light up 3D art.
What's a what they call Patronus or something? So yeah, we have a light up 3D art frame thing. Licensed by the look of it. Is it
That's
just
probably why the massive was back.
Oh no, and it's USB as well, so that's spot on.
Probably why the box was this big.
Probably what she's done, knock it off. And I'll keep saying it, but 3D lenticular effect. Light up. Ah, that's alright. Like, what I'll do, I'll stick a photo up in the corner of what it looks like on night time. In daytime. Yeah, or like in the dark, so you just know what it looks like. But it looks like it's in the stack.
Yeah, it's Harry Potter's Patronus.
So it's Harry Potter's Patronus, as Jazz just said. So yeah, that's a nice item. Oh, I'm sure I've seen these in Mankind for about
A lot.
they're for about 20 quid, I think. Probably even more.
Cool.
That is good, that like. And that's something you haven't got in your collection. And that's hard to say. Isn't it? So yeah, that's decent. I'm liking that.
Next item.
Next item. Put that back over here, out the way.
More of these stuff. Very good though.
Yep, plenty of packaging, that's what we like. I remember last month there was a pop figure in it.
Made.
But I
It
don't know.
is a Harry Potter notebook and wand pen.
Oh, that looks nice.
like, I might have to put this down.
Go for it. Do what you need to do.
Because it's rather large. Let's take it up. Watch this.
Sorry.
So it has a nicely packaged. It's 2.
Oh, is it?
So it has Lumos Maximus.
So this is licensed as well.
A rainbow.
And the thing on the back. That looks alright as well.
And then this is Wingardium Leviosa.
So yeah, what they're like inside, is it just plain or?
Ooh, that's
that's
like
kinda
the
cool.
cover. And then inside, ooh, that's nice inside. So just like plain paper.
Oh yeah.
And then I'll show this off. This is the same. It's like
What are them inside then?
I think it's like the Harry Potter signs or something like that. Do you know where you have like Cancer?
Oh right, yeah. Star signs.
Yeah.
If you can see them properly, I'm not sure if you can.
Stupefy. A lot of words that I cannot read.
Oh yeah.
So, yeah.
Well, that's nice. I get 2, and they're licensed. I like this.
It said
It's
a 1 pen as well, so I think it might have fell off.
All right.
So next item is great for clothes and bags accessory iron-on patches. We should do this to our bag. Just get a random bag and
Yeah. Just buy a random bag. That'll be all right,
some
wouldn't it?
iron patches on them.
So yeah, we have some iron-on Harry Potter patches, and these are licensed as well. I'm not sure whereabouts you are in the country, but where we are up north, the Harry Potter stuff is quite expensive. Just for the patches, you're looking at probably about £8, probably more, to tell you the truth. That's why we like to get these Harry Potter boxes, because it is worth the while. You see.
Got a lot of different. Show the actual designs. Where is the other end?
I get quite a few in as well, don't you?
Oh.
Does it come off that one?
Yeah.
It's alright. Alright. It'll still go on. So yep, there's some and some.
So yeah, it's good. Can you put them in the pack?
Of course I will. Well, I won't put it in that pack. I'll just put it in the cardboard pack.
Yeah. Next item.
Oh, you're getting through these quick, Jazz.
Zoe.
That's
Is
right.
an unofficial Harry Potter Wizards Cookbook.
The unofficial Harry Potter Wizards Cookbook.
Magical meals and fancy food inspired by the world of Hogwarts.
The unofficial one.
I think this is just the unofficial book.
It's not like being honest.
Like inside, it's got like recipes. So it's like a little recipe book.
That's alright. Do you want to show them inside? Keep it open for a little bit. So yep, you have.
I can't show it.
It's alright. There you go. You have like recipes and like instructions how to cook certain things. Cook. So yeah, that's nice. It's got a price of $5.99 on the back. Decent. So yeah, that is the back there.
Next item.
Yeah, go for it. Oh, I'm liking this.
Oh, this is mad.
What is it? Oh,
You're like,
I'm like, what is it? Do you know what? I seen the cardboard. I'm like, what is it?
I'm gonna have this. This is mine. I've claimed it already. It says Hogwarts Apothecary.
I don't know.
Yep.
So
Water
yeah,
bottle.
it's a Harry Potter water bottle, basically. A licensed one.
Go Hogwarts crystal.
Do you want to show the license bit?
License. There you go. Licensed. That in the back. Might take this out of its.
No, just leave it. Just leave it for the time being then. So, but
yeah.
yeah, it's that is nice. That like, and it's one of them the flippy up
drinky drinks.
Drinky drink ones.
Mm.
So yeah, I think you've got one like this, but not Harry Potter, haven't you? Where
Yeah.
it flips up like that. So
Cool.
that is kind of cool.
It's hard to.
It is. I think it'll get easier with the more times you do it. So yeah, that's good.
Right, next item.
We only paid £25 for this box, isn't it? Anyway, there's another item.
Um,
There's plenty of packaging which we like.
it got a pin. It's a little Niffler pin from Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them.
It's a licensed product as well. I like the fact that they're all licensed, apart from the unofficial.
Like most of them are licensed.
Yeah. Well, all of them are. Apart from this, up to now. That's a Fantastic Beasts licensed pin. I bet you pay about a £5 for that, for the licensed pins. It's a collectible, aren't it?
We've got a bookmark. It's a Fantastic Beasts bookmark. Muggle worthy.
Oh, yeah.
So these are little tiny items.
Bookmark. You sure these fast, Jazz?
I'm getting excited because there's
There's what?
next item.
Ah, she's spotted something in the box, that's why she's going through these fast.
Next item, Dad.
Oh.
So we got a nice big wrap.
I wondered why you were going through these dead fast.
It's like Christmas.
That is nicely wrapped, that. I like the little touch. I really like this box, and it feels like we've just been going on forever.
I know.
Oh, you ruined it now.
Christmas.
Oh, that's gonna. Oh, do you want to look at the end? Because the end might give it away.
Oh, it has.
Does it give it away?
Yeah.
So yeah, we have a nice wand
Magical
box.
wand. That is such a cool box.
That is nice. Do you want to show the end?
Yeah. And the person it is Arthur Weasley.
Arthur Weasley. Oh, hang on.
Arthur.
Haven't you got Ron,
Yeah.
Fred, George,
Yeah.
now Arthur?
Look at the.
Ah, that is very nice.
Nicely
Hang on.
kissed.
What is this, well?
In a nice soft.
This is good, this, you know. I think we might have found our new WIZBOX, Jazz. I wonder if you get... Oh, there was a wand in it last month, so I wonder if you get a wand every month.
Oh, that'd be so cool.
I'd definitely get it then. If it was a character wand in every month.
Yeah. So here's the end. It's like a decent sized wand as well.
It looks like the proper size wand, doesn't it?
It feels so nice.
Is it?
Should
So
we do
that box is nice. It's not. I thought it was going to be like flimsy or something, but it isn't, is it?
No, it's proper rock solid.
So is that everything in the box then?
Yeah, it's just a little card to think.
That's nice. That.
Just these little things, Harry Potter, Lee, and then that's when they send them out each day.
Right. So that's cool. So yeah, we have the Harry Potter. There's all the info. I'll link it all down in the description.
And it says
in
shipped on the 20th of each month.
Yep. So and then it gives you a little calendar on the back, so you can keep track of it yourself.
Give us two.
Which is nice.
This box is probably the best wizard box I've ever had.
This is proper class, isn't it?
Yeah.
So yeah, let's have a quick recap anyway, because we want to get finished and go play with this.
It got the magic wand of Arthur Weasley.
Yep, we have
the Harry Potter water bottle.
Yeah.
Licensed water bottle. It got the licensed Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them bookmark.
We have a licensed Niffler pin.
Badge.
Pin badge, yep. The unofficial Harry Potter cookbook. I like the way it says unofficial.
But it said, wait before we start this. It says notebook and wand pen, but we didn't get a wand pen.
Oh.
And it's not in the book.
Alright. Oh, I don't know. It might have...
Lied.
It might have fell off or something. I don't know. But we can't really whinge, can we? Look at all that we've just got.
So, here's our proof. Proof.
So yeah, there's the unofficial cookbook.
Yep.
We have the patches for the bag.
The 2 notebooks.
Yep, which are good inside. It's not just plain like you usually get off other boxes and that. And we have the Patronus light up picture frame, which I think personally is about 15-20 quid anyway. So yeah, there's that because it's licensed. I reckon you're talking about 5 to 8 quid for that. The books you're probably talking about 5 quid for because they're licensed, probably more. I'm not sure about that. Says £5 something on the back, so we'll go with that. The water bottle.
The water bottle, easy water bottle.
The water bottle, you're looking probably about 8 quid for the Harry Potter official water bottle. Pin, you're looking probably a £5. Probably a couple of quid for the bookmark. And the wand, in this type, 15 to 20 quid I'd say. Because in this type of box, because it is solid. And
the stuff inside of it, like...
yeah, it's just all present. The presentation's dead nice, isn't it?
The mesh and the softness things.
So yeah, overall that box is absolutely awesome for me. And I know for a fact, as soon as we put this back in the box and go back and get out of our geeky bit and go back in the house, the wife and the other daughter is going to absolutely love all of this stuff. So I think that was money well spent in my eyes.
Best box ever.
Yeah.
You did good, WIZBOX. You did good.
So yeah, basically let me know in the comments what you thought of this box. Do you think it was worth we paid £25 but it's normally £30? Like I said, it's worth £30 all day long for me. It's just even better we got £5 off. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you thought of this box, and don't forget to
like, comment, share, subscribe and hit the bell for post notifications, because you will be entered in a mystery box giveaway at the end of the month.
Yeah, and we appreciate you always tuning in to watch our videos, and we'll catch our next one. Cheers, bye.
Bye.